Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to unfriend someone on Facebook. If you don't wish to be friends anymore with someone on Facebook, then you can go ahead and simply unfriend them from your Facebook account. In order to do this, first of all, open up your web browser and then type in facebook.com in the address bar and press enter. Log into your account if necessary by using your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, go ahead and search for the user that you wish to unfriend. Once you find their account, you will be able to see the Friends button. Go ahead and click on this, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Unfriend at the end of the list. You will now get a notification asking you if you are sure that you want to unfriend this user. Go ahead and click on the Confirm button, and this user will no longer be your friend on Facebook. In order to be friends again, you will need to send a friend request once again by clicking on Add Friend. Once they confirm your friend request, you will be friends on Facebook once again. So that is how you can unfriend someone on Facebook. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.